Müssel Maschinenbau GmbH, a future-oriented and expanding company with a family tradition over 75 years, is acting worldwide on the international market with top products. With Müssel Maschinenbau, you have a customer-friendly partner regarding your purposes of development, production and service. Müssel Maschinenbau GmbH offers high-quality products that are meeting customers' requirements through large possibilities ranging from the conception and production of individual piece parts to complete plants, including machine controlling systems. The processing possibilities are ranging from the filigree handcrafted parts to the computer-assisted CNC manufacturing plants. High-quality materials and accurate manufacturing, according to the ISO standards, guarantee also top-quality products with a long lifetime. Moreover, the permanent quality controls ensure the high-quality standard made by Müssel. Because precision and a customer-oriented service are the models for Müssel Maschinenbau's philosophy. Müssel Maschinenbau GmbH is engineering and producing in diverse areas. Beside the products tailored according to customers' wishes that are belonging to the section Special Machines and Movement Systems, Müssel Maschinenbau GmbH is also the official manufacturer of the product line Tools for Belts. Tools for Belts represents the complete solution to the preparation, the processing and the splicing of driving belts and conveyor belts. Tools for Belts includes punching machines, grinding machines, heating presses, tools designed for special processing, and also a wide range of accessories. Tools for Belts represents the complete solution to your finishing workshop.